Hey, get this. Meta to 1K by the end of the year. I can actually see that happening. No doubt, Meta just posted amazing earnings and will likely continue rolling up in price. Right now, Meta has a lot of momentum. And in this video, we're gonna hop in, look at the charts, and I'm gonna show you how you can ride that and when it might be a good idea to potentially take profits or potentially take a breather. So if that sounds cool to you, hey, keep watching. This video is brought to you by Moomoo. At the time of this recording, Moomoo is offering an 8.1% APY on all uninvested cash and up to 60 free stocks when you sign up and make a deposit. And if for some reason you're not familiar with Moomoo, Moomoo is a worldwide brokerage and it more than likely has something for you, whether you are beginner or more seasoned investor. Let me show you just how easy it can be to run company analysis in Moomoo. Let's say I was thinking about buying Apple stock. I would click on Apple or search Apple up. I can click on company, and just like that, I already have the financials right here. I can swipe down, see all this other data. If I want to take a look and see who are the shareholders, I can click on shareholders. I can also look at kind of their dividend payouts. I can see that the dividend yield has come down over time, but I can see that the dividend payout has increased over time. There's a lot more analysis and numbers to look at as well, but this is just scratching the surface. All right, so to those of you unfamiliar with this software is referred to as TradingView, and all we're doing right now is taking a look at the charts. All right, so you may be wondering, hey, why are we looking at AMD? You were just talking about showing us how to ride the trend on Meta. All right, so before we get to what could possibly happen with Meta and what will likely happen with Meta, I want to show you what other stocks that have done it looks like. So we're looking at AMD right now. So right now we're looking at AMD on the 4-hour chart, because if you go to smaller time frames, there are pullbacks. But one thing you'll notice from when AMD breaks out past this trend line right here is that each one of these candles that represents 4 hours of time, from here, when it actually broke out, from this point right here when it broke out, all the way till it came up here before it pulled out, this little $18 run right here, or this 11% run that it went on, all of this, all these were blue candles. And then once it put in its first black candle, the trend isn't completely over yet, but there was a lot of momentum loss here. And if you were trading options or anything like that, this pullback went from about 182.50 down to about 178. And then we spent a couple days consolidating and pulled back as low as 173 before continuing the trend again. So say you're just trying to get in for a shorter ride, say you're trying to get in for a couple days or something like that. First thing I would look for is if we close out a blue candle or on a regular chart, a green candle really strong with volume, we are likely going to keep running. So that's the first thing I look for. And then next thing, still looking on the 4-hour chart, notice ever since it's broken, and actually a little bit before, I have my 13 EMA on right here. EMA stands for exponential moving average. And notice right now it is really respecting that on the 4-hour. Every time it comes back to this, it's just kind of bouncing and going. So over here, this was the last green candle or blue candle, whatever you want to call it. We kind of consolidated, but then we pulled back to this 13 EMA and ran up to the upside. So now we're going to move over and look over at Meta's charts. I'll say AMD has a pretty good chance of continuing to run, but now we're going to move over to Meta's charts and kind of look at what could possibly happen with this, because Meta will likely be much higher than where it closed out. All right, so looking at Meta's first candle. All right, so Meta closed the day out at 695, had amazing earnings, and blasted up to 775. All right, so this right here, this is just the first candle. This is the first candle. It's closed green, it's closed blue for my chart, and more than likely we have more on the way. There's a good chance we'll have like some pullbacks on shorter time frames, but Yo, just know, looking down here, this 13 EMA, this blue line, this will be a lot higher in the morning when we get the next candle. So when it comes to kind of anticipating and predicting, like, hey, does this trend still have strength? Can it keep going? I'm going to be looking at the 4 hour. I'm going to be looking at the strength of the candles, and I'm going to see, like, how is this going? I personally can see this running for some time. As of right now, any pullbacks on Meta are a buy. And, especially if we catch it anywhere back around this 700 level, hey, just know, it can rock it up. And, let me throw this out there again. $1,000 is not off the table at all, especially by year end. I can see Meta easily getting that. So hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.